Good day, introduce yourself.
Hi po, good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Elamil Agag, 25 years old, from Lawag City, Ilocos Norte. I am a single parent and one kid, he is a boy. I am not a college graduate.
So how long you studied in college before?
1 year.
1 year, okay. So your child is how old?
He is 4 years old.
Okay, and who will look for him if you're going to Hong Kong? Who will look for him if you're going to Hong Kong?
My mother.
What is your religion?
I am a Catholic.
And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
What is your position in the family?
I'm the second.
And you're a single parent?
Yes.
No boyfriend, no live-in partner?
No.
Okay, your family allows you to go abroad?
Yes.
Is this your first time going abroad?
Yes.
Okay, so if you feel homesick, so mostly first timer will encounter homesickness.
Yes.
They are prone for homesickness. So how can you control your homesickness if you were in Hong Kong?
I will touch my family to reach out during free time.
And also focus to your work.
Yes.
Okay. And how did you ever work before as a helper?
Yes.
How long?
2 years.
How many members of the family did you serve?
They are 3, Mom and Sir, and the child.
How old the child?
4 years old.
And what did you do as a helper in the house?
I'm cleaning their house, ironing their clothes, marketing.
You cook?
Yes, cook and cook.
How about taking care of the child?
Caring child.
So you also took care of the child here. Okay, and how do you take care of him, of her?
By preparing his clothes, bathing, and
Is she going to school already before?
yes,
So you also need to tutor her, help her in her school
yes,
activities or school assignments?
yes.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong now?
I want to work Hong Kong to support my family and to provide their needs.
Okay, how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years or 2 to 5 years.
So as long as employer needs you, you will work with them.
Yes.
Are you afraid of any pet? Are you afraid of any pet?
Yes.
Oh, what kind of pet?
Dog or
Okay, so are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
yes.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes.
Okay, your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
I promise to my employer that I am a hardworking, trustworthy, and easy to work with.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2290.